Hey everyone, I'm Jenna Quinter. I wanted to hop on here and tell you a little bit about FAM and why I recommend it. Basically, before FAM started, I had just lost my job. The pandemic happened. It was COVID. So I remember, I know what I was doing. I was taking a bath and I put on a little video and I started learning about an opportunity that was recession proof. And because I was so hit by by the pandemic after losing my job, I was depressed. Um, I was freaking out because I didn't know how I was going to make money. I all of a sudden I started watching this video about FAM, and it intrigued me actually. So I want to recommend it because it really is a game changer. What it is that I really like about FAM is it has a community, and it also they gave me a blueprint. I had hired a coach in my past, which I still wasn't able to completely go out on my own for my business. I was still in the car industry, and I hadn't made that leap yet to go work for myself. So going through this program, it was step by step. I really liked that they had real accountability. Like, I paid for the extra one-on-one coaching just so I could have that extra layer of accountability. I liked that I could have a contact with a game changer, somebody who had been super successful. I liked that I was able to basically have a mentor that I could reach out to anytime. And so I did all of the steps. There was a lot of modules. You had to go in and listen to them, but they were easy. It requires work, but I put in the work. I didn't have anything else to do because we were all quarantined and locked up during this pandemic. So basically, I just took advantage. I took action, and that's the key, is just taking action. So I did these modules. I loved how they had homework assignments, and then I'd turn them in, and their feedback was just like amazing. It was hard sometimes because I would tend to overthink things. I would try to make things too complicated, and they were real, and they called me out on it. And it's not about being perfect. It's just about taking action and doing stuff, like getting it done. And that's what I really love about this program is I was able to complete the entire program that they were able to put together. It was a course. I was able to get through it, and I was able to see results. And I loved it because it was guaranteed too. So like, if you didn't make any money, then you could get your money back. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to take action. I want to get a business for myself. And on top of all that, it was recession proof. So after going through FAM, now I can say that I'm more confident. I have even more of a sales mindset because it taught me some sales tactics, which was really incredible, like a lot of reverse psychology. And then now I have my own leads agency, so my Pocket Boss agency. So I'm doing that now, and I wouldn't have been able to do that if I didn't have the blueprint. So like, if you're considering hiring a coach, yeah, you can hire a coach that's going to tell you to go do this, this, and this. But like, is that coach going to actually connect the dots for you? Is it going to tell you to do A and then B and then C? Is it going to tell you is this coach going to tell you the exact tools that you need, the exact steps of how to set up the automation inside the programs? I don't know any other coach that would do that. They would probably want to charge you more money for like a tech package or something like that. So if you're on the fence about doing FAM and like creating your own agency, like, please just consider this, because it truly is the blueprint to success. And all it takes is you to take action. That's all it is just you to decide that you want to do this. So I'm super passionate about it because I never had a course that provided this much value for not that much money. Like at first it was just like, okay, I don't know if I should do this, but you know what? I got the government money that came in. I think they sent a check for like $1,200. I took that money, invested it in myself, and that's what it takes. Is you need to invest it in yourself. So if I could help anybody, like if you want to have a recession-proof business, then please, I did it. I have a lead generating business now. It does make money and it provides so much value that like I was also able to get more confident when even interviewing for like other jobs, because obviously I was still interviewing for jobs. I had so much confidence in using these new tactics and skills that I learned, that now, like whether you have the business or not, you could go anywhere and now you have a whole new skill set available that you can offer to somebody. So yeah, give it a chance. I love FAM. They're like a fam to me, and I love the group, the accountability, and the coach that created it. So thank you so much, and give it a shot. Can't wait to hear your results. Go ahead and comment below. Like, let me know if you decided to take action, because I just know that this was like a game changer. So anyways, have a great day. Bye.